we have given that x is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. Then we have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. So x is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. So 1 by x, it will be equal to 1 by 7 minus 4 root 3. And if we multiply it with 7 plus 4 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3, then it is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3 times 7 plus 4 root 3. It is 1 by x. And a plus b times a minus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. So 1 by x will be equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 by, and this will be equal to 7 square minus 4 root 3 square. And 1 by x is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 by 7 square is 49 minus 4 square is 16 times root 3 square is 3. And 1 by x is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 by 49 minus 48, and it is 7 plus 4 root 3 by 1, that will be equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. So x plus 1 by x, it will be equal to x is 7 minus 4 root 3 plus 1 by x is 7 plus 4 root 3, and 4 root 3 will get cancelled, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So it is 14.